My name is Andrew Swanson, and I'm going to tell you what you need to know to get started event streaming with Oracle Database Transactional Event Queues. Oracle Database has a long history of event streaming, going all the way back to 1997 with the release of Oracle Database 8 and Advanced Queuing. Transactional event queues are a modern evolution of advanced queuing, suitable for high throughput data streaming applications and microservices. Transactional event queues enqueue and dequeue events, where an event can be any kind of thing that's happened in a system. It could be a weather station reporting the relative humidity at its location. It could also be a user moving their mouse across the screen, or a web service reporting that it has completed a task. Transactional event queues are built into the database and backed by database tables. This means they take advantage of advanced database features like high availability with real application clusters and active data guard. They also support transactional integrity for enqueuing and dequeuing messages, database security, and you can even query the contents of a queue using SQL. Queues allow multiple producers and consumers to enqueue and dequeue messages simultaneously. Because of the queue's transactional integrity, Oracle Database guarantees exactly once messaging. Queues can also be partitioned across multiple consumers, and messages within the queue are ordered strictly within a partition. So why would you use transactional event queues instead of another message broker or queuing system? Now, to me, the most compelling reason to use transactional event queues is if you subscribe to the idea of the converged database architecture, which leverages data simplicity and co-location. For example, running your event system in the database allows you to eliminate the need for separate, costly servers dedicated to event streaming, servers that probably require domain-specific knowledge to operate, maintain, and upgrade in production deployments. Additionally, your event streaming data is located in the database alongside the rest of your application data. This co-location can help you reduce network traffic between applications in the database, as well as reduce the amount of data duplication that you have across multiple servers. Okay, so how do I enqueue and dequeue messages with Oracle Database Transactional Event Queues? If you're using Java, I highly recommend the Kafka Java client for Oracle Database Transactional Event Queues. This SDK will allow you to use a familiar Kafka API to do common operations like creating topics, publishing messages, and subscribing to topics. If you have existing Kafka code, because the APIs are identical, it's very easy to switch over to using Oracle Database Transactional Event Queues. There are also SDKs and common languages for interacting with transactional event queues, like Python, Java, and several others. You can also use SQL to enqueue and dequeue messages directly in the database. Or if you want to use REST, Oracle REST Data Services has an API for interacting with transactional event queues. Transactional event queues are available in all versions of Oracle Database from 19C onward, including 23AI and Oracle Database Free. If you haven't tried it yet, Oracle Database Free is one of my favorite ways to try out new database features. It's available multi-platform and as a container image. That's the basics for transactional event queues. I've included several links in the description to help you get started developing with Oracle Database. Thanks for watching.